So you guys know that we are off grid, and so we go and get our water and we transport it from a well. Well, we have a little bit of a water filtration system, but it's not enough to make it drinkable. So we partnered with Waterdrop. Having drinking water, we all know, is a must. Our bodies obviously need a ton of water. Well, we were buying cases and cases and bulks of plastic bottled water, and we are so excited because this machine is going to allow the reverse osmosis to work and for us to have water that we can drink straight from our faucet. The Waterdrop A1 reverse osmosis hot cold water dispenser is an initiative brand dedicated to improving global water quality. It specializes in developing efficient water purifiers aimed at providing safe and clean drinking water, ensuring the health and well-being of you and your family. That tastes so good. It's really crisp.
All right, guys, let's check out the functionality on this Waterdrop A1 reverse osmosis system. If you come over here and look at the OLED screen, if you can see it, it might have a glare on it, but you can change the temperature from 44 all the way up to 203, which my wife is gonna love because she can do her tea. It has a lock set on it right now, so the kids aren't gonna get their fingers burnt, so you just hold that down for a second, and then you're able to push the button and dispense the hot water. Right now, it's set at 4 ounces, but you can change that to 8 ounces, 16 ounces, or 20. If we want to do 203 degrees, we unlock it, dispense. And if you can see, it's kind of steamy actually. It comes out, it's really warm, and then you just drop your tea bag in. Yeah, it's like hot. Woo! If you're at a hot setting, you can just click on the little snowflake here and drop it down to 48 degrees, which is gonna be like your drinking water. One more thing, so you're probably wondering where the water comes from. It's not hooked up to like an inline system. There is a tank on the back of this that you have to fill up, so let me show it to you. If you turn this to the side, this is your tank right here. Your tap water tank, and it's split down right here, and this is your wastewater. So once it's filtering everything out, all the water that it's not gonna let you drink or doesn't want you to drink, it sticks it on this side. So you just dispose of that in your sink after, or once it gets full. But right now, we're about halfway. We're gonna fill this thing up all the way, get it ready to use it for the rest of the day. All right, when you buy one of these, it comes with the filters that are required to use this thing right away. You just open this lid right here, easy access. You have CF filter, which is your carbon filter, and then your RO, which is your reverse osmosis filter. The carbon filter is good for 6 months. Reverse osmosis filter is good for 12, so that's when you have to change them out. It was super easy to put these in, kind of like when you put a filter in your refrigerator. Well, guys, we are super excited to use this Waterdrop reverse osmosis system. We're not gonna have to buy as many water bottles. We can just use our tap water and use that from the well, and we can get as much of that as we want.
And it tastes so good. I'm
really
excited
good,
to give it to my family to drink it all day long.
Beats buying water bottles all the time. If you guys are interested in buying a Waterdrop reverse osmosis system, check the link in our description and go pick one up.
It's perfect for your off-grid needs.
Thanks Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video, and now we're gonna get back to work. We wanted to show you guys a little baby